Welcome to my channel. 2025 Mini Cooper S remains true to its roots. The 4th Gen Cooper's newfound tech and refinement balance nicely with its feisty Mini character. By all accounts, Mini's new 4th generation 2025 Cooper hatchback should feel like an entirely different vehicle than last year's model. Mini's ground-up redesign puts the focus on refinement and modernity, a risky endeavor considering how delightful the previous generation Cooper was. After spending time hustling a two-door Cooper S through the mountains in New Mexico and Colorado, we walked away impressed with what's new, and pleasantly surprised by all that's been retained in the makeover. Our test route was part of the first leg of Mini's biennial Mini Takes the States Road Rally event, in which thousands of owners show up to geek out over their cars and cover hundreds of miles per day enjoying scenic views and good driving roads. The cult following the Cooper has cultivated since its 2002 rebirth is still in full effect. Even with a host of changes, the new Cooper S is still the nimble, punchy little rascal it ought to be. Handling is frisky, and the steering is responsive enough that it borders on darty. The turbocharged 2.0-liter inline 4 under the hood pumps out only 201 horsepower and 221 pound-feet of torque, but in this diminutive package it feels like more. The 4-pot revs freely, and even at higher speeds, there's plenty of torque to keep the Cooper S pulling toward triple-digit speeds.